Which of the following can be inferred from the passage regarding Du Bois' The Quest? And we'll just call it that, The Quest. So it's an inference question. And this one's a hard one. What can we infer about this novel by W.B. Du Bois? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to go through each answer choice, and we're going to see if it works or not. Because oftentimes, if you can't come up with the answer or sense of the answer in your head, you do have to work through each answer choice, as we are going to do here. So answer choice A, the lack of attention devoted to The Quest can be attributed to the fact that it was Du Bois' first novel. What's wrong with this? What's that rotten spot? First novel. It never says that. It never says that it's his first novel. We cannot infer that. A is gone. B, among Du Bois' novels, The Quest is unusual in that it has received scant attention from scholars. Well, if you look at the last part, that sounds great. Yeah, it's received scant attention from scholars. But then look at the first part. It says among Du Bois' novels. It never talked about his other novels. And in fact, it says Du Bois the novelist must wait, meaning his other novels also have attracted scant attention. So B is out. C, The Quest has at least one feature that typically would attract the attention of literary scholars. We go back to the beginning lines. It says, it would be expected that a novel by a figure as prominent as Du Bois would attract the attention of literary critics. When you have prominent figures writing, that usually attracts the attention of literary critics. There we go. There's the answer. Let's look at D and E. The Quest, given its subtle exploration of race, is probably the best novel. Probably the best novel. I mean, how do we know that? It doesn't say that. Can't infer that. Oops, I'm sorry. I just got rid of the answer. You can't infer D. Sorry. And of course D. We have then much of the scholarly work that has focused on The Quest has been surprisingly critical of it. It's received scant attention. We haven't heard much about it. So how do we know that people have been surprisingly critical of it? People haven't even really heard of it. That's the whole point. So again, the answer is C.